YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to unbox this. This one is the New Balance 550 AIME DORE natural green color shoes. Retail price on this was like $130 plus tax. And then reselling price for this one is $340, either on StockX or Gold. This is size 8.5. So it was dropped on April 16, 2021. It is still holding the true to its vintage aesthetic. So somehow this one is worth more than the white, navy, red one. So, and then this colorway is white / natural green. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. So here is the original receipt right here. And then here is the style number. And then the product description right there that we just went over. It says basketball, Oxford. And this is the UPC number right there. So let's give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. And it says 纸 means paper, 包装材, 保质材. And it is made out of recycled paper, 100% recycled material. So it says New Balance with their registered logo right there. MACDADDYPIMPPING DORE. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it in French. So yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. Let's go and then check out the size label right here. Got the New Balance. So the style number is BB550, A as in apple, and then 2. Men's size or women's 8.5. So it is D medium width. That's the barcode right there. So let's go and then open this and see what we got here. So yeah, in case you guys want to do some legit check, there's like a dotted line. And then there you go. You got the New Balance logo right there. And then there's a logo right here, MACDADDYPIMPPING DORE, and then New York. That looked like a apple basketball. Let me zoom in. See, it's like a leaf over there. And this is like a pear or apple with a basketball symbol. Then there's a New Balance. Wow, look at that. So nice. And it smells good. Got the AIME neon DORE. Got the 550 right there. That's their logo right there. And you got the NB New Balance. And you got the 550 right here. There's your N logo. The nice green stitching. And please, this is a natural color. And then the midsole is like a yellowish cream with the dark green. And you got this top. And more like a yellow, darker yellow color. It says non-marking sole. And then here's your New Balance. Yeah, their quality control it is pretty good. I don't see any flaws yet. Let me remove this shoe tree. And here's a shoelace with the tip. Yeah, I might turn on some light. It says international friendship through basketball. So it's like a memory foam in there. When I press it, it has an indentation. Yeah, I don't think you can see it, but I can feel it. And it says New Balance. And you got the NB on the back of the heel cup. Gonna check out the size label right here. So this pair, it is made in China. Oh, so it also comes with the darker cream lace that matches the midsole right there. Got the New Balance right here, and then NB. Yeah, I say it too soon. There's a glue right there or something, some kind of dirt. And the insole is the Ultralight Comfort Foam insole. And then on the left hand side of the insole, you got the AIME neon DORE, New York. Oh, and then also on the back of the heel cup, alright. Oh, before we go, I was looking at the box, double checking, and then I found another lace. So I'm not sure it's supposed to be in here or what's going on, because this one wasn't strapped in the zipper or the zip tie. So, and then there's two of the stickers down there in case you want to do some legit check. Yeah, so I'm not sure about this one, if it just fell in the box by accident. So yeah, drop a comment on below and see if you guys got 3 of the laces in total. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.